In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. First of all, open any app and then access it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, use this square button. Now hold your app and click on this icon with two rectangles below the padlock. Then click on Home button and click on any other app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!